Immaculately from Hensel's agency here, and welcome to Unit 7 of 7 Canberra Terrace in Kings Beach in the Outlook Caloundra apartments. This property offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1 separate study area and a single lock-up. So head on in. So featuring a floor plan of over 130 square metres, plenty of room, separate dining, massive lounge room, ocean views from your kitchen, your dining and your lounge, air conditioned throughout as well, nothing to do. Plantation shutters in the lounge and dining area. Immaculate. Plenty of storage cupboards as well in both lounge, hallway. So your second bedroom. Both bedrooms have access out to your balcony as well. Built-ins, generous in size. Your main bathroom with your laundry facilities as well. So your study, which easily fits in a king single, so you could convert this to a 3rd bedroom, small child's play area, lots of opportunities. And then your main bedroom, so you've got your separate ensuite, again air conditioned. You've got crim safe screens on all your windows and your sliding doors. And again out to your balcony. So your complex offers swimming pool, barbecue area, outdoor spa, completely secure residential style apartment block. Walking distance to Kings Beach, Caloundra Centre, and the views. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to have a look through at a private inspection or a virtual video, give Claire or myself a call anytime. Thank you.